What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today, I'm going to show you all how to link trade ideas to your charts. Yes, your actual charts. Doesn't matter if you're using Thinkorswim, Street Smart Edge, or any other charting platform. You can easily link trade ideas to your charts, just like this. See a ticker you like? Just simply click on it on the trade idea scanners and it'll pop up on your charts. It saves time. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. But first, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button. And I don't know if I'll make more trade idea videos on YouTube. The market is just extremely over flooded with trade ideas videos. I'll put this out there, see how well it does. If it does well, I'll do more trade idea videos. I just recently started using trade ideas. I used this platform a few years ago. I have multiple videos on it. If you go through my video playlist, they've updated it a lot. But I'll stop talking and I'll jump right into it. So you want to link trade ideas to your charts. One thing, it saves time, so you don't have to manually go to your charts and type in ticker symbols, which takes up time. You want to save time. So you can easily click on a ticker and it'll pull it right up for you, right from trade ideas. How do you do that? What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the trade ideas taskbar right here. Pull it up and you're going to want to go to tools. Click on tools and you're going to go to external linking. Click on that and then you're going to have this window right here pop up. You're going to add a link. You could see already I have Street Smart Edge already linked up with trade ideas. You're going to hit add link and then this box is going to pop up. And this is the important part that you got to do right here. Whatever chart that you want to link to trade ideas, you got to take your mouse and you got to hover over the chart, and then on your keyboard you have to press and hold the shift button. Once you do that, it'll pop up current linked window, Street Smart Edge. Then release the shift button and it will link it to it. Click OK and there you have it. Your chart is now linked with Street Smart Edge. Click close, put this back over on the other window. And then now, straight from your scanners, you can click on tickers and it'll pull it right up to your charts, saving time, making it more easy. That way, if you see a ticker pop up on your scanner, you can just quickly go over to it, click on it, and it'll pull it right up. And it is linked with everything, with your card down here, so you could quickly see the statistics and the fundamentals of the float, the cash, the short percentage, and all that good stuff. I just thought I'd show you guys this quick little reference how-to video. Again, if you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to join a great trading community, I will leave a link to the Trading Learning 101 Discord group down in the video description below. Feel free to join it up if you want. There's a bunch of cool traders in here looking to grow. Trading is a lonely world out there, I know. So if you want to surround yourself with other like-minded people, feel free to join this group. I have it jam-packed and filled with all kinds of great educational content in here for absolutely free. That's going to wrap it up for this one, everybody. A little short and sweet video. If you liked this video and you want me to make more trade idea videos on my specific scans that I've created, leave comments down below. Tell me what you all want and I will happily make it for you. Till next time, everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?